Hello and welcome to Success Media YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about affiliate marketing for beginners. Please subscribe and type subscribed in the comment section below. Affiliate programs, also called associate programs, offer a third-party platform that allows individuals and brands to find and work with each other. 1. Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates has been one of the top affiliate programs for beginners since 1996. In fact, it was the first online affiliate marketing program in the world. Since its inception, it's been helping online marketers make money by advertising to the millions of customers that shop on Amazon each year. When an Amazon affiliate shares a link that leads to a sale, they earn referral fees from the transaction. 2. ClickBank. ClickBank is among the top companies with affiliate programs that appeal to all kinds of marketers. Its affiliate information is completely open to anyone, making it a valuable affiliate platform to consider for your success. ClickBank started out of a garage in 1998, but quickly grew to become one of the top retailing and affiliate sites in the world. It currently boasts a large number of affiliates who've earned billions in commissions promoting ClickBank products. 3. eBay Partner Network. eBay offers one of the highest paying affiliate programs on the internet. The eBay Partner Network is where you can sign up to become an eBay affiliate. Commissions are in the 50% to 70% range. eBay gives affiliates the tools they need to promote eBay's products with as little fuss as possible. No matter how you choose to market products, eBay's affiliate program can be put to good use. 4. Commission Junction, CG. CG is a 20-year-old affiliate marketing program that has been helping affiliates and merchants since day one. According to its website, the company works with twice as many internet retailer 500 companies than any other affiliate program. CG also boasts that merchants favor its site twice as much as other affiliate marketing programs. And when you take a closer look at everything it has to offer, that claim seems to hold up quite nicely. Here's the vast list of niches you can find on the site, not to mention the all-inclusive other category. 5. Giddyup. Giddyup is suitable for beginners because it offers an affiliate manager and helpful tools to assist you with different aspects of its program. You can partner with over 150 DTC, direct-to-consumer, brands across a range of verticals, including travel, electronics, health and wellness, and more. Giddyup's affiliates get exclusive access to these e-commerce businesses. The company also provides a creative library to assist your digital marketing campaigns, robust tracking, and real-time data, so you can analyze your performance month over month. Monitoring your performance can help you identify opportunities for improvement and earn more commission in the future. 6. Impact. Impact is one of the few affiliate marketing programs that connects individuals with top brands like Uber, Adidas, and more. It's known for its automation tools to help streamline your campaigns and generate more sales. You can join and manage partnerships with these companies for free. The brands span various categories, including beauty, travel, retail, fitness, and others. After signing up with Impact, you get access to a marketplace where you find top brands and contact their affiliate managers directly. Impact generally pays by CPA, cost per action, which means you'll get a commission when your audience buys something through your affiliate link. 7. Owin. Owin is another top affiliate program for beginners. It doesn't require you to have a website. You can join using any of your social media profiles, like Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube. All affiliates applying to Owin undergo a compliance check verifying their details. You must also make a $5 deposit to join the program, which Owin will reimburse once you reach your first payment threshold. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel Success Media. Like this video and share it with your friends. Hit the bell icon to get notified about all our newly uploaded videos. Thanks for watching.